In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in Asana. If you manage a team in Asana, there may be times when a workspace or organization member needs to be removed. Perhaps they've left the team or no longer require access. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to do this cleanly, and I'll also share helpful context so you understand what's happening at each stage. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Asana workspace or organization and that you have admin permissions. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to ask an admin to complete this for you. Start by opening Asana and heading to your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens a small menu with account and admin tools. From that menu, choose Admin Console. The Admin Console is where you manage people, permissions, billing, and security for your workspace or organization. Entering here ensures you're making changes at the organization level and not just inside a single project. Once the Admin Console is open, go to the Members tab. This tab provides a full list of everyone with access to your workspace or organization. You'll see names, roles, and sometimes last activity or invitation status. Use the search bar if you're working with a large team and want to quickly find the person you have in mind. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct workspace at the top of the window, especially if you manage multiple Asana environments. Next, locate the three dots, sometimes called the kebab menu, next to the user's name. This icon opens actions specific to that person, keeping the rest of the page uncluttered. Clicking it reveals administrative options. This is where you control membership without affecting other users. From that menu, select Remove. This action revokes the member's access to your workspace or organization. After choosing Remove, you may see information about what changes will take effect, such as access being cut off and how their existing work remains in place for collaborators. Read that information so you know what to expect. Removing someone typically doesn't delete projects or tasks. It primarily stops their access. If they owned tasks or were assigned work, plan for reassignment to keep projects moving smoothly. That's all there is to it. Open your profile menu and enter the Admin Console. Head to the Members tab, use the three dots next to the correct person and select Remove. With this quick process, you maintain a secure, tidy workspace and ensure only the right people have access going forward.